Namaste. Namaste everyone. Welcome to the class again. Now, let us see the 28th question. A train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train had been 30 km per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slower by 15 km per hour, it would have taken 2 hours more than the scheduled time. We have to find the length of journey. The length of journey means we have to find the total distance. Now here we don't know what is speed of the train and how much time it covered. But they have given me information that if I increase the speed, then time will 2 hours less time will take. If I decrease the speed, okay, then 2 hours more time will be there. So this information is given. So better here we will assume that let what I will say let this is our solution part. So I will say solution first. So in solution I will say let the speed of train is x kilometer per hour and the time taken by train is y kilometer per hour. Okay, speed of the train is x kilometer per hour and time taken by train is y kilometer per hour. Therefore, length of journey will be x into y kilometer. I have to find this x into y. Now, they have given some information. So, as per, I will say that as per first condition or as per information in problem, we have if you have space in your paper, you can divide in two parts because two information given. So according to first information, if the train had been 30 km faster, it would have taken 2 hours less. So speed is x. So if speed is 20 km faster, the time taken is 2 hours less, and by this I will cover the complete journey. So that will be equal to xy. And second condition is that if the train were slower by 15 km per hour, it would have taken 2 hours more. So second condition is x minus 15 into y plus 2. This is also equal to xy. Now I will simplify both the sides. I will get two equations. I will solve it. So here xy, I will get xy plus not plus, it is minus xy minus 2x plus 20y minus 20 into 2 is 4040 is equals to xy. So this xy cancels. So therefore this implies me minus 2x plus 20y is equals to this minus 20 will move on right, it will become minus 40, move on right and it will become plus 40. I can take 2 common. So let us take 2 common. So here I have minus x plus 10y, and here it is 40. So finally I have an equation that minus x plus 10y is equals to 20. How 20? I will divide both the side by 2. This is equation 1. Here I will simplify. I will get xy plus 2x minus 15y minus 30 is equals to xy. Again in the same way I will cancel xy. So I have 2x minus 15y equal to 30. Okay. Now here we have minus 2x plus 20y. Here we have 2x minus 15y. That means actually it would better that I will not simplify here. Okay. I will stop here only. I will say that this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now we can add equation 1 and 2. So here I will say that adding equation 1 and 2. So here what we say, by adding equation 1 and 2. So when we add this equation 1 and 2, what we get, this plus 2x minus 2x will cancel. So this 2x will be 0 and this 20y and minus 15y I will get 5y is equals to, here 40 plus 30 70. So this implies y equal to 70 divided by 5 is equals to 5 in the 5 220, 5 4s are 20. So y is 14. Also from equation 1. Now if I see first equation, I have minus 2x plus 20 into y means 14 is equals to 4040. So therefore we have minus 2x is equals to 40 minus 14 to the 28, so it is 240. So therefore I have minus 2x equal to minus 240. Therefore I have x is equals to minus 240 divided by minus 2 is equals to 120. So the value of x is 120. The value of y is 14. So therefore I have speed of train is equals to 120 km per hour and time is 14 hours. Therefore I have length of journey is equals to 120 into 14 is equals to 12 for the 48, 4, 12 in the 12, 12 plus 4, 16. So 1680 kilometer. This is the length of journey what we have to find out. Done? Simple question. Okay. So this is our 28th question. Now let us move to 29th question. 29th question is, a boat take 2 hours to go 40 km down the stream and it returned in 4 hours. Find the distance of boat in still water and the speed of the stream. Okay, so for going down it is taking 40 km, only 40 km it has to go. So for going down it is taking 2 hours and for returning up it is taking 4 hours and the distance is 40 km. We have to find speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the stream. So what we will consider, what we will assume? Yes, find the speed of boat in still water. So there we will start, na? We will say let the speed of boat in still water, let the speed of boat in still water be x kilometer per hour, and speed of stream, and let speed of stream be y kilometer per hour. Okay. Now as per condition in problem, as per condition in problem, as per condition, or you can say at first condition, or you can make two columns as per condition, and both the conditions you can write simultaneously. It take to r to go 40 kilometer down the stream. So when we are going down the stream, our speed will become x plus y, as x is the speed in still water and y is the speed of water. So as water is moving and I am also moving in the same direction, so the speed of boat in still water, okay, will increase. How much it will increase? It will increase by the speed of a stream. That is, the total speed will become x plus y. And the problem is given that key with that speed it is covering 40 kilometer in 2 hours. So distance is 40 kilometer. We know that speed is distance upon time. Okay, speed is, what is the formula? Speed is distance upon time. Speed is distance upon time. So by this formula, we have speed x plus y, distance is 40 and time is 2. So therefore, one equation we got, x plus y is equals to 20. And here, second condition is that k, when it return, that means when it goes in upstream, that means it again cover 40 kilometer, it take 4 hours. So when it goes in upstream direction, its speed will be x minus y, as it is going against the stream. It is covering the same distance 40, but now the time is 4 hours. So we simplify and we will get 10. So therefore x minus y is 10. We have x plus y 20 and x minus y 10. So again here we add equation 1 and 2. So let us say adding equation 1 and 2. We add equation 1 and 2. So x plus x, it is 2x. Y will cancel, and here 20 plus 10, 30. So x is 30. This gives me the value of y is 15. Y is 15. Put y is equals to 15 in any of the equation. We get from, I will say that from equation 1, we have x plus 15 equal to 20. So the value of x is equals to 5. Something wrong, I think. Let the speed of boat in still water be x. We have x minus y, we have 2x. Acha. The value of y we will get. Value of x we got. Here it is not y, it is x. We got the value of x. So x is 15, and here it is not x plus 15, it is, I will say that from 1 it is 15 plus y. equal to 20. So from this I will get value of y is 5. So therefore speed, therefore I will say that therefore speed of boat in still water is 15 km per hour and speed of, this is speed of bed and speed of stream is 5 km per hour. Okay, so problem is find the speed of boat and speed of stream. Done. Right. 29th question we have done. Now question number 30. So let us first copy this question from here. Paste here. Okay. A boat sail a distance of 44 km in 4 hours with the current. If it take 4 hours 48 minutes longer to cover the same distance against the current, find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the current. Okay. So again the problem is of the same nature. Okay. The time 4 hours 48 minutes, if you want you can convert first. Okay. So here I will first say that in solution what you can do, you can first convert the time, that you know this time you have to convert. So you can say that 4 hours 48 minutes is equals to 4 plus 48 divided by 60. Okay, is equals to 4 hours is 4, 48 upon 60. So with 4, can I cancel with 4? Yes, with 4. 4 1 the 4, 4 to the 8, and here 4 1 the 4, 24 5 the 20. So this will be 4 plus, again with 3 I can cancel, 3 4 the 12 and 3 5 the 15. So this is finally 5 4 the 20 and 4 24. This is 24 divided by 5 hours. Okay, so what we have done, this 4 hours 48 minutes we have converted in 24 divided by 5 hours. So calculation will become simple. Now it take 4 hours 48 minutes longer to cover the same distance against the current. Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the current. So again we will say let speed of boat in still water is x kilometer per hour. I think this is little bold. So fine. Let the speed of boat in still water be x kilometer per hour and speed of still water, it will be y kilometer per hour. So we have the speed of boat in still water x kilometer per hour and speed of still water is y kilometer per hour. Now as per first condition, it will sail a distance of 44 km in 4 hours when with the current. When with the current means when it is going with the current. So when it is going with the current, I will say that as per condition in problem, we know that this speed is distance upon time. So when we are going with the current, our speed will be x plus y. Total distance covered is 44 km and the time is 4. So x plus y is 44 upon 4. This gives me x plus y as 11. This is one side other condition is given me, that means when I go against, it take 24 upon 5r, 24 upon 5r, yes, it takes more time, 24 upon 5. So from this I will get that x minus y is equals to 44 into 5 divided by 24. So 24 with what I cancel with 4, 4 6 are 4 1 are 4 1 are 11 5 are 55. Now I can move, or I will keep this as 11 5 are 55 divided by 6. Okay, let us don't cross multiply, keep it as it is. Okay, there will be some fractional calculation involved, but no worry, you are expert in that. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. We will add equation 1 and 2. So by adding, equation 1 and 2, by adding equation 1 and 2. So when we add 1 and 2, we get x plus y is 11 and x minus y is 55 upon 6. So we get 2x is equals to 11 plus 55 upon 6. So this will become 11 6 are 66 plus 55 upon 6 is equals to or there is a better way, na? In place of doing calculation like this, it is better that we keep it in mixed fraction. So this 55 upon 6, I will say that it is equals to 11 plus 6 9s are 54 plus 1. So 9 1 upon 6, this is equals to, now 9 plus 11 is 20. So 21 by 6. by 6 means 20 complete part and plus 1 by 6. So therefore x is equals to 1 by 2 into 21 by 6. So this will be 10 1 upon 12. So 10 1 upon 12 is x. This is the speed. Okay, this is the speed of boat in still water. So value of x is 12 1 upon 10 1 upon 12 kilometer per hour. From equation 1 I can say, where we have x plus y is equals to 11. So from equation 1, x plus y, so 10 1 upon 12 plus y is equals to 11. So from here we get value of y as 11 minus 10 1 upon 12. Now this is same as 11 minus, I will say 10 minus, I will say 1 upon 12. So 11 minus 10, you will get 1. So 1 minus 1 upon 12, you will get 11 upon 12. So therefore I will say that therefore speed of boat in still water, speed of boat in still water is, or the speed of boat in still water B 10 1 upon 12 is 10 1 upon 12 kilometer per hour. This is speed of the boat in still water, and speed of water, speed of current, that is better word, speed of current is 11 upon 12 kilometer per hour. Okay, in the last problem, I have written the speed of stream is, okay, that is fine, 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, I think we should cross verify this question again, cross check, because we are getting speed in fraction. So just cross check again and then we move to the next question. So if you find everything okay, then let us move to the next problem. Okay, let us move to the next problem. Question number 31. An aeroplane flies 1680 km with a headwind in 3.5 hours. On return trip with the same wind blowing, the plane takes 3 hours. Find the plane's air speed and wind speed. So that means plane's speed and the speed of the wind. So problem is same, only in place of water we are using air. So you can pause the video here. Better you pause the video here and solve yourself first, and then you can check your answer with me. Okay. So do this problem yourself. Once you're done, you can see the solution. So the problem is an aeroplane flies 1680 km with a head wind of 3.5 hours. Find the plane's airspeed and wind speed. So I will say solution. In solution I will say let the plane's airspeed, let the plane's airspeed is equals to x kilometer per hour, and speed of wind is y kilometer per hour. Now as per condition in problem, I will say that as per information or condition, as per information in problem, we have find the plane's speed and wind speed. So plane's speed is x and wind speed is y. So an aeroplane flies on the return trip with the same wind blowing, the plane takes 3 hours. So first it is moving against the air speed and it takes 3.4 hours, means more time it is taking. So as we know, speed is what? Distance upon time. So here when it is moving against the wind, the speed will be x minus y, and this is equals to the total distance is 1680 upon the total time is 3.5. Okay, you can smartly check which condition you should use for x minus y and which you should use x plus y. So when denominator is more, the value is less. So x minus y will be 1680 upon 3.5 instead of 1680 upon 3. We have two time given, 3.5 hour and 3 hour. So this is a little smarter way to understand what could be your first condition. Okay, so here x minus y is equals to, it can be written as 16800. I am multiplying by 10, so that this denominator will be you can multiply by 10, or better you multiply it by I will multiply the same by 2, because 3.5 into 2 it will give me 7. So if I multiply and divide by 2, that will also work. So 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into 8, 2 8 is 16, 1 carry, 2 6 is 12, 1 13, 1 carry, 2 1 is 2, 1 3, divide by, here we have 7. So x minus y is equals to, now 7 4 is 28, 56, 7 8 is 56. So x minus y I got 480. So this is my equation 1. And as per second condition, we have when it is returning, it is taking 3 hours. So I will say that x plus y is equals to 1680 divided by 3. So here x plus y equal to, now 3 5 is 15, 1 3 6 is 18, 560. This is second equation. Now again I will add equation 1 and 2. So in all the problems what we are seeing, that today we have to add these two equations, adding 1 and 2. So final calculation is easy. You just have to add, only you have to frame equation, that is the challenging part. Now x plus x is 2x, y will cancel, and 560 plus 480, so 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 6 is 14, 1, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So 1040 is 2x. So therefore from here I will get the value of x as 520. Okay, I will put this value in equation 1. So from, I will say from 1, x is 520 minus y is equals to 480. So therefore y equal to 520 minus 480. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 12 minus 8, 4, that's it. Okay, so x is 520 and y is 40. So therefore I will say that therefore speed of plane, or speed of, find the plane's air speed. Okay, therefore plane's air speed, I will say plane's air speed means speed in air. So therefore plane's air speed is equals to 520 kilometer per hour, and y is speed of air, and speed of air is 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, so by this we have done this 31st question. And okay, one more question is there, 32, question number 32. Last question, question number 32. The problem is, a part of monthly hostel charge is fixed and the remaining depend on number of days one has taken food in the mess. When Bhavna take food for 20 days, she had to pay 2600 as the hostel charge, whereas when Divya take food for 26 days, she has to pay 3020 as hostel charge. Find the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. Okay, so here we have to find fixed charge and cost of food per day. So what we assume in solution, we will say let fixed charge be x rupees. Let fixed charge be rupees x and cost of food per day and cost of food per day is rupees Y. So fixed charge be rupees X and cost of food per day be rupees Y. Now as per problem, when Bhavna take food for 20 days, that means, so I will say that ki as per problem, again two conditions, so I will make two column. So as per problem, X, so they have to pay, and for one day they are paying Y rupees, so for 20 days they will pay 20 Y, and this total will become 2600. This is first condition. And second condition, X plus her friend, she was there for 26 days. So X plus 26 Y is 3020. This is second equation. So what you will do? You will subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So I will say कि by subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, so I will say by subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. By subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we have X plus 26Y is equals to 3020, and we have X plus 20Y is equals to 2600. I will subtract. So I get 6Y is equals to, here this is 0, this is 2, 10 minus 6 is 4, 420. So further simplification will give me Y equal to 420 divided by 6. So 6 7s are 42. So 70. Y equal to 70. And from 1 we have X plus 20 into Y is equals to 2600. So from here I will get the value of X is equals to 2600 minus 1400. So this gives me 1200. Therefore I will say that therefore fixed charge is rupees 1200. Find the fixed charge and cost of food per day. And cost of food per day is rupees 70. So cost of food per day is rupees 70 and fixed charge is rupees 1200. Got it? Simple? Yes. So thank you. We have done all the problems. Okay. If you get difficulty in any of the problem, you can comment me, or if you get any other problem, okay, apart from these problems, okay, you can mention that problem also in the comment. I will try to give the solution for the same. Thank you once again. Okay, revise chapter again. Okay, here you have to, all word problems we have seen, so here you have to read your word problems carefully and try to convert these word problems in mathematical expressions. If you do that, okay, then it is simple, it is easy to solve.